Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifeyi Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my videos, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming here. Okay guys, so in today's video is a quick one. I'm going to be showing you guys how I mix my foundation to be very creamy. This is the same brand foundation, but you can see how different they are. The same foundation, but I made one creamy and the other one is still thick. So first of all, the first thing you have to do is to clean the face before you begin to apply foundation on the face. Please clean the face thoroughly. We are going to clean the face. After cleaning, just apply my moisturizer. Of course, I want to do that before we apply and then blend in the foundations to see how the thick foundation comes out, and equally how the creamy base foundation equally come out. Like I said, this is the same brand foundation. Okay guys, so first of all, I go ahead and put on the foundation on the on my mixing plate. So put in the foundation. This is it. So I'm going to try and make this foundation creamy, at least to a bit. Okay, so first thing first, the first thing I do in mixing my foundation and making it creamy is I use this Nars foundation. As you all know, that Nars foundation is very creamy. It's just like water. I can see the way it's dropping, just like it's dropping like water. I think the reason why it's even being a little bit thick is because I've used it for a while. If not, so it comes out as if it's water, so it diffuses the thickness of your foundation. If you don't have Nars foundation, you can equally use Lorel True Match. So I'm going to equally be adding this when I want to get a very creamy effect. I mix the both of them with my foundation. So I just look for the particular shade for the client, and then I use it to tone it up or tone it down, and I mix. So this makes the foundation very creamy as if it's water, still using foundation. I don't know if you understand. So when you get foundation that are so thick, you can diffuse and make them creamy, make them smooth and nice to use. You can see how soft and creamy this foundation is. It's so creamy, so easy to blend. Now in the other palette or in the other cup, I'm going to equally be putting the same foundation as well. You can see how it's coming out. Is very thick. So I'm not going to mix this particular one with anything. I'm just going to show you, see how thick the foundation is. Sorry, I didn't know when I was filming that is being blurry, but I'm going to make it clear very soon. Okay, so look at it from here. You look at the other one, you can see how it's even glittering and is really watery and all that. But this particular one is not, it's too dry, and there is no way you can compare mixing or blending the both of them on the face. You can look at the one I mixed and see how, in fact, just looking at it will tell you that this foundation is very nice. Okay guys, so there's another means I think you can actually mix your foundation, even though I will not lie, I've not really tried this on a client or a model, but I think I've seen people talk about it, that you can equally mix. So I was just let me just try it and see if it's going to work out. Let me just try and mix foundation. So that is using Cetaphil, your moisturizer, not Cetaphil as a brand, using your moisturizer. I think I actually did a lot of pumps, so I could have just added just 1 or 2 pumps of the moisturizer. So I equally had that mixing your foundation with a moisturizer equally tends to make it get creamy. Or you can use all this I don't know, liquid, something you can actually put on the face. I don't know, but I've not really tried using moisturizer, because to an extent I do feel using moisturizer, mixing it with your foundation will make your foundation, I don't know, it might actually come out nice. I've not tried it. Like I said, the one I do most of the time is mixing with my foundation, and that is what comes out perfect for me. So look at the one that we didn't mix, look at the two we mix. The two we mix, they are so nice. The one that I mix with my foundations, that's the best, honestly. Then the next one with this, now you can see, let me start. This is the blending of the one that I didn't mix. I'm blending it, so you can see how it's coming out. It's even having some puffs and some it's not having patches, but it's too thick. Honestly, I can't blend foundation. It's not looking like skin. It's not looking like skin. I don't know if you get what I mean. It's not looking like skin. So this is me applying the foundation that I mix with foundation as well, creamy base foundation on the face. Guys, you cannot really compare this with anything, any foundation. I cannot even if it's a creamy based foundation, I must still mix it with something, because I've known the value and importance of mixing foundations. I cannot emphasize on that enough. I say it in my videos, like I mix with up to 3 foundations, 4 foundations. I'm telling you, like I'll mix and make it creamy before I put it on somebody's face. Sometimes the creamy based foundations don't have like the coverage that you would want, so that is why it is sometimes important for you to mix with the ones that have more coverage, because I don't like going over, like building up foundations on the face. So I would rather go with one, just just one scoop, and then I'm good. So look at the end of the video, when I'm done applying the foundation on the face, like the skin looks, it looks like the skin, like her natural skin, like as if nothing is there. Like the skin have the still retain the pores, as if the skin is still breathing. This is what you want to achieve at the end of the day. Okay guys, so please, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.